All right, today we're making a collage. So I have different scrap paper, I have some glue, and I have some scissors. It's also going to be important to have my pencil so that I can draw shapes to cut out. Now, I'm going to show you a couple collages by other students. This is by an older student, but look, he cut out and made a car. He cut out shapes for the wheels, for the lights, and the bumpers. Then I have another one. Someone made a cat. So see how she cut out the shapes to create a cat, and now she's using squares to make some other things. We cut out squares and glue them together. That's actually called a mosaic. It has a special name. And then someone is making cakes and cupcakes and desserts. So you can choose what you want to make. I'm going to draw a few shapes here. So I'm going to take my paper and I want to draw on the edge. So I'm going to draw a nice big shape there. Then you could do like those other boys and girls and glue your shapes to a background. Or you can glue your shapes to each other. So I have my tiny scraps? I can use those, or if I'm not going to use them, I will throw those in the trash. Now my big scraps, where do we put that? Back in the scrap box so we can use it. Now, I think I'm going to make some wings for this. Now, because I want two wings to be the same, if I fold this in half and I draw a shape on it, then when I cut that out, I will have two. I don't really know what I'm making. I'm just kind of using my imagination. I could make a bird. So now, remember, because I folded my paper, I have two of them.
You're making a butterfly.
I don't know. I could make a butterfly. But I'm just using my imagination. All right. When I glue these together, what do I need to make sure I do? Yes. I'm going to clean this off because somebody didn't clean it off, so there's some dried glue. So I clean that off. And now I'm going to do just a dot, not a lot. So I'm going to put a little dot here and glue my shape on. I'm going to put a little dot here. That's right. And glue my shape on. Just a tiny dot. Yeah. Yeah, so my tiny dot of glue, I put it on here. And now, if I was done for the day, I'm going to put this on the drying rack. Now, if you get finished, you could put yours on the drying rack. The other thing you could do is we can add drawing details. So if I wanted to draw lines on my wings, or I could draw eyes. It is your choice how you make yours.
Is that a permanent?
Okay.
Yep, it's permanent.
So I could add more details with markers or crayons, or I could add more details with paper. That is your choice. All right, we'll get started.
I want